Comfortable indoor airflow plays a major role in how a home feels day to day. Proper ventilation helps regulate temperature, reduces stuffiness, and keeps indoor air feeling fresh. For homeowners in Rowlett, awning windows offer an effective and flexible solution for managing indoor airflow without sacrificing comfort or design. Why airflow matters in everyday living. Without adequate airflow, indoor air can become stale and uncomfortable. Activities such as cooking, cleaning, and normal daily movement all affect air quality and circulation. In Rowlett homes, good airflow helps maintain a pleasant indoor environment by allowing fresh air to replace stale air naturally. The unique design of awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design creates a small canopy effect when the window is open. For Rowlett homeowners, this structure allows air to flow into the home while directing it upward. Warm air naturally rises, making awning windows especially effective for releasing trapped air and improving circulation. Controlling airflow without strong drafts. Some window styles allow too much air in at once, creating uncomfortable drafts. Awning windows give homeowners more control. In Rowlett properties, awning windows can be opened slightly to fine-tune airflow. This helps refresh indoor air without causing sudden temperature changes or strong gusts. Supporting ventilation in key rooms. Certain rooms benefit more from controlled airflow than others. Kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas often require reliable ventilation. Awning windows are commonly placed higher on walls, making them ideal for these spaces. Rowlett homeowners appreciate how easily these windows help release humid or warm air from high-use areas. Improving comfort near window areas. Poor airflow can make spaces near windows feel uncomfortable or unused. Awning windows help change that. By allowing consistent, controlled ventilation, awning windows help Rowlett homeowners enjoy more comfortable seating and workspaces near windows. Encouraging regular ventilation habits. Windows that are difficult to operate often remain closed, limiting airflow. Awning windows are simple and easy to open. Rowlett homeowners are more likely to ventilate regularly when the process is convenient. This supports better airflow and a healthier indoor environment over time. Maintaining indoor comfort while ventilating. One concern homeowners often have is losing indoor comfort while ventilating. Awning windows help balance this. Their design allows airflow without fully exposing the interior to outside conditions. Rowlett homes benefit from fresh air while maintaining stable indoor temperatures. Supporting natural air circulation. Airflow works best when air can move naturally through the home. Awning windows support this process by directing air upward and outward. In Rowlett properties, this helps create a natural circulation pattern that improves comfort without relying solely on indoor systems. Reducing the need for mechanical ventilation. While indoor systems are important, natural airflow reduces how often they need to run. Awning windows help Rowlett homeowners rely less on mechanical ventilation by providing a simple, effective way to manage airflow naturally. A practical solution for balanced indoor airflow. Managing indoor airflow doesn't require complicated systems or major changes. Sometimes, the right window design is enough. For homeowners in Rowlett, awning windows offer a practical solution for managing indoor airflow. By allowing controlled ventilation, reducing stuffiness, and supporting everyday comfort, awning windows help create homes that feel fresher, more balanced, and easier to enjoy every day.